Today I want to talk about something I call the blinding flash of the obvious. If you can do something well, then you have usually invested a lot of time in it to become good at it. I'm not very good at speaking in front of a camera, but in fact this video of what you're watching is automated. No, I don't really wear the same shirt every day. But the recording is an automated version and it was created by automating a video I recorded for real with software and my own voice. I can use this now also in winter when here in the Eifel no sun shines at all. In fact, I'm sitting on that same balcony right now, but I'm unshaven and wearing a t-shirt and shorts. And in fact, I much prefer to be out here on the balcony than in my office. And if you are good at automating things, then you can do that pretty much every day. I spent a lot of time learning how to automate things well, and that's why I'm now good at automating things. I've also had an electric guitar for years, but I'm really bad at playing electric guitar. The reason is very simple. I just don't have the desire or the time to practice it properly. If I would invest 1 or 2 hours every day to become a good guitarist, I would probably be able to do that. But that's the difference. You have to decide how you want to invest the 24 hours you are given every day, and which things are important or unimportant to you. If someone forced me to paint a horse, the first version would probably look more like a frog. But if I actually had to do that, I would look for a picture of a horse, take a transparent sheet of paper which I could put over it and start drawing the outlines of the horse under the transparent paper. I would then do that until I was able to draw that exact horse without a template. Until someone would say, "Hey, that frog looks like a horse." And that's how you get better. You decide to do a certain thing until it works. For me, that means that I've been doing this with automatic trading since 2014 for MQL4 and MQL5. And that's why I'm now able to easily adapt it so that it gets better and better. Most people are not willing to invest so much time, money and effort, and for this the automated trading with pre-programmed systems is a possible solution. However, you have to be consistent enough to trust that the system works. And exactly there lies the problem. If someone would force me to perform with my guitar somewhere in public, I am sure that I would play the wrong notes all the time. After all, you don't want to make any mistakes on a stage in front of hundreds of people because it's all about a good performance. And whenever what we do is important, we tend to make the biggest mistakes. Today the Euro-US dollar moved a fair bit, and although I have been trading automated systems for years, even I had the impulse to quickly jump in and take some profits. The only reason why I am usually able to resist such manipulation attempts is that I have trained for years how to trade with an automated system. No one would suddenly get the idea to write a Swedish poem if they have never spoken a word of Swedish before. So if you want to become good at something, you have to train for it. For me, it's automated systems. What about you? How do you get better at what is important for you? What is your own strategy?